Hi, dear students of Standard 5. I sure that you are fine and safe at home. Your parents are protecting you, and because of them, you are happily living with them. Now, our new academic year is starting, and after a long time, we are meeting to each other through this online lecture. I think it is interesting for you. So, as an English teacher, I am starting our first lecture. You may different thought in your mind about house. In house, you are stay very safe, you, very safely and happily. Like this way, a bird also express his thoughts about his various homes through the poem What a Bird Thought. So, we are starting our poem with textual lines. Now, see the textbook. What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue sail. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Now, again, we are seeing the meaning of each line and paragraph. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. It means the word is saying that first of all I lived in a little house and very well. There it lived very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue sail. It means at that time for me the world was very small and its shape is round, and this way world was made up with light blue covered sail. It means that birds, that house, first house was an egg for it, that was the world. Then go to second stanza. I lived next I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. It means after it came outside from the egg cells, its house was nest. There it don't need of any one. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. It means that time bird thought that the nest was made up with the straw and it is only the bird's world, and that world was covered by bird's mother, so no need of any other. Then see third stanza. One day I fluttered from the nest so to see what I could find. Here fluttered means flew unsteadily. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Mean of this stanza is one day bird flew unsteadily out of the nest to see what could it find. Birds thought that it had been blind earlier For now, it realized that the world was made of leaves. Then go to next stanza. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? The bird then flew beyond the tree and saw the blue sky. It began to wonder how the world was really made. It did not know and it asks if the reader knows. So, can you tell really how the world was really made? Then again we are going to read full poem and then we will see rhyming word from the poem. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue silk. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Third stanza. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Next stanza. At last I flew beyond the tree and I saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Then we will see rhyming words from the poem. What is meant by rhyming words? The rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. For example, we will see from the lines. In first stanza, well and sell. This is first pair of rhyming words. Then go to second stanza, second line, last word other, and fourth line, last word mother. This is second pair of rhyming words. Then see third stanza, second line's last word find, and fourth line, last word blind. This is third pair of rhyming words. Then go to last stanza, second line of last word blue, fourth line, last word you. Then blue and you is the next pair of rhyming words. Now I will describe some important points from poem and this will help you to understand the poem very well and also it will help you to complete your homework. Point 1 is the first little house of the bird. How it was? The first little house of the bird was small, round and made up of pale blue shell. Second point is the nest. How the nest was? The nest was small and made of straw. The third point is the word around the bird's nest. Immediately around the bird's nest was a tree with leaves, and beyond that was the open blue sky. Then next, find rhyming words from the poem. Here some rhyming pairs are given. Well sail, other mother, find blind, and blue you. Then write whether the statements are true or false. The bird was unhappy in its first house. This sentence is false. The bird flew very confidently from the nest. That is also false. The nest was made of straw. True. The bird knows how the world has been made. This sentence is false. Now, our poem explanation.